Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is leave. Here is a picture of a woman leaving. Here is leave in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Leave means to go away from a place or a thing. Leave. Past progressive was leaving, past left. Present progressive leaving, present leave. Future will leave. Let's build a sentence. Princess left. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. Princess left. Where? Where did she leave? Princess left the city. Let's build a sentence. Princess left the city. When? When did she leave? Princess left the city this morning. Let's build a sentence. Princess left the city this morning. How? How did she leave? Princess left the city this morning on the train. Just like the picture. Let's build a sentence. Princess left the city this morning on the train. Why? Why did she leave? She left this morning on a train to start her vacation. I'm jealous. Let's build a sentence. Princess left the city this morning on the train to start her vacation. Where? Where is she going? To start her vacation at the beach. Oh, now I'm super jealous. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.